Okay, this here is a navigation system in a 2007 Honda Accord, and it needs a navigation code in order for it to work. The vehicle battery died, and we replaced the battery. We've already set the radio code. I've got a video on that if you're looking for that. But I figured I'd make a video on how to obtain a navigation code. These codes are specifically related to the anti-theft device in the vehicle. What happens is if the battery gets disconnected or dies or replaced, the unit thinks it got stolen, so you need a special code to enter for it to operate again. First things first, if you're working on a customer car or you're a person that replaced their battery and need the code, there's a few places to check first. So the first place you should always check is open up the glove compartment box, and there'll be a sticker sometimes here or sometimes on the inside of the glove box. This vehicle does not have one present. However, they did have the owner's manuals, and that's the second place you're going to want to check. So the owner's manuals, one of them is called Service History. If you open that up, on the first page, it'll have all the information, your VIN number, date it was pre-delivery inspected. It'll also have your radio code and your navigation code for the vehicle. This is important. Hopefully they have it. If they don't, there is still another way of getting the navigation code. So when you're at this screen and the car is running obviously in park, what you're going to want to do is you're going to hold the map, menu, and cancel button all at the same time. And sometimes on other models they're in different locations, but most Honda and Acura models from 2004, 2005 all the way up to current models have the same setup. So what you're going to do is you press and hold these three buttons, map, menu, cancel. And what it does is it goes into the diagnosis system. This is for our technicians and for people to check things, but you can do this as a consumer or someone working on somebody's car. And what it does is it brings up the screen with all the different items you can check. Now, to get the serial number, which is what you're going to want to call the Honda dealer or the Acura dealer with, what you do is you go into the screen and you do unit check. Oh, if I can hit it. Unit check. Once you go into unit check, it's going to give you a couple of different options. Now, if you need the radio serial number, you'll hit radio. If you need the navigation, which is what we need, the serial number to that, what you're going to do is you press the navigation ECU button, and you'll see right here it has the serial number, 3 letters and 8 digits. That is the specific serial number that you're going to want to call and contact your Honda dealer or Acura dealer with. When you call in, say, hey, I'd like to get some information on a service from a service advisor, or hey, I have a question about my car, can I talk with service? That way they'll immediately pick you up. When you have this code ready, it makes it a lot easier for them to do their job. Once you get that number to your service advisor, they will in return give you a 4-digit code. Once you get that 4-digit code, you can go back to the main screen. This one I'm going to use the book at 7923. You hit done and your navigation is back up and running. Everything is good to go.